Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to challenge you to practice the following. So, before you continue on watching this video, I encourage you to go back to the previous video and watch that, since this is where I explain how to do the following exercises. So, before you attempt these, I urge you, if you haven't done so, to go back to the previous video and watch how to do these exercises right here. So if you have watched it, then you can continue with me right here. So it says multiply. So now it's your turn to practice. And as I always say, if you would like to be a good basketball player, you need to go and practice basketball. So if you would like to be good at mathematics, you have to practice mathematics. So what I would like you to do, I would like you to pause the video and try these exercises on your own. And when you are done, come back and we'll do them together. All right. So pause the video and do them on your own, then come back and we'll do them together. All right. So see you soon. Hey, are you done? All right. So welcome back. So let's begin with the first one. It says multiply. Again, before we multiply two numbers, we first have to multiply what? Their signs. So the sign of the first number is what? Positive. Why? When there's nothing on the left side of the number, that number, its sign is positive. So plus times, so positive times negative is what? Negative. All right? So after you multiply the signs, now we have to forget about the signs and multiply the numbers. So 14 times 7 is what? 98. So I put the number 98. So this is the final answer for the first one. Now, for the second one, when multiplying two numbers, we always begin by multiplying their signs. So the sign of the number 3 is what? Negative. And the sign of the number 12 is what? Positive. So when you have negative times positive, it's going to always be negative. And now 12 times 3 is what? 36. So I put the number 36. All right. So here we have three numbers. We have the number 7, the number -5, and the number -5 as well. And as I said, we always begin by multiplying the sign of the numbers. So the sign of the number 7 is what? Positive. The sign of the first number 5 is negative. And the sign of the second number 5 is negative. So when you have positive times negative, so positive times negative is what? Negative. So so let me write down this one here. So 7 parentheses -5 parentheses -5. So let's restart again. A positive times a negative is what? A negative. So now this negative right here times this one, so negative times negative is what? Positive. So now I'm done multiplying the signs of the numbers. Okay? So after we finish multiplying the signs of the numbers, then we have to multiply the numbers. So we forget the signs now and we multiply the numbers. So 7 times 5 is 35. And 35 times 5, that's 175. So I put here 175. So the answer to exercise number 3 is 175. So now let me clean this. Okay. So now for exercise number 4, we first begin by multiplying the sign of the numbers. So the sign of 1.6 is what? Positive. And the sign of 5.08 is negative. So a positive times a negative is a negative. Okay? So now 1.6 multiplied by 5.08 is 8.128. So 8.128. So that's the final answer. And now the last one, exercise number 5. Again, we first begin by multiplying the signs. So the sign of 17 is negative. The sign of 3 is negative. So negative times negative is what? Positive. So now, after multiplying the signs, we now have to multiply the numbers. So 17 times 3 equals what? 51. So the final answer of negative 17 times negative 3 is equal to 51. So that's all for this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you on the next one. All right, bye.